Alright, if you saw my e-bike unboxing video, you saw that I won a 3PX4 pistol. I kind of showed it to you in that video. This is more like of an in-depth review of the gun. So, yeah. For the box, this looks like a Chinese or Japanese or like some type of foreign gun, Asian, I don't know. It doesn't really say where it's from. Has some characters, and then the bottom has English. It's my cell phone. Droids are better than iPhones. With Kid Goku in the corner. So hop-up version. It's gas, blowback. This doesn't really say anywhere where this gun is manufactured on the box. It says H.K right here, so I'm thinking maybe Hong Kong. I'm not exactly sure, but the box doesn't matter. Very sucky manual, which is no use whatsoever unless you do not know how to fill a gas magazine, which is very simple. You just like point it downwards and put gas into it. And you don't know what a safety is, or a trigger, or a barrel, because that's all it does. It just names stuff like hammer, front sight, magazine catch, grip, back strap. It's not even a back strap, it's more like a grip. Like it makes the back straps that they say they include just make the grip wider. It came with 2 small ones and 1 big one, even though you can only have 1 at a time. So it's kind of retarded that they included 2 small ones. It doesn't do much. I guess if you have smaller hands, you'll put a small one on. You have bigger hands, maybe a little bit bigger one, but you won't really notice that much of a difference. Back says, the safety things, keep out of reach of kids, shoot it with glasses on, or safety glasses, don't look down the barrel, and like a bunch of different languages. Then a part view, like an exploded parts view, a parts list that I can understand, like they're all in some foreign language. Like it also is just like PX4, 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 PX4 hop up, PX4 hop up. They almost all say PX4. Inside there's nothing. Alright, actually I'll get to the magazine first. Alright, reposition myself here. Alright, it's a double stack gas magazine. Looks kind of like an M9 magazine, but I'm kind of, I think it might be like specifically for this gun, because on e-bike it says PX4 magazine for $25, and I hold about 25, probably between, so like the last dot here, it has a dot showing you how much are left. Since it's double stack, you have to times that by 2. And the last dot, which you can't see, see if I can get my cell phone light in, kind of. And either way, the last one says 17, so times it by 2, 34 actually, which does not seem right at all. So I'm not sure what's with that. Alright, let's just see that this holds 34 BBs. I think it holds somewhere in like the 20 range, like 25, 28 maybe. I don't know, maybe it does hold 30 something. Other than that, it's just a normal gas magazine. If you have an M9, magazines might work, but I'm kind of doubting it. Or, like I just said, they sell magazines specifically for this gun. So. For the gun itself, it is double action, safety Didn't do that right. Safety right there. Which just stops the hammer from going back. If you have your hammer already back. Safety used to have it go forward. Oh, there it goes. I was playing with this in the sand at like a desertish type area, and I kind of dropped it, and it got like buried in sand. Some of the stuff is like kind of sticky. I cleaned it out, but you know, cleaned it out a bunch of times. I don't know why it's not still completely 100%. Dotted sights. As for the slide, the slide is metal, and this frame is like plastic-y type material, but it's very comfortable. It's very comfortable, and it's also durable. Oh, that actually hurt my hand. Magazine catch, you know, it works basically like a normal pistol. Nothing really special about it. Pull the slide back, and then we kind of push the slide, see where the slide really start. You know, I took the red tip off, or orange. I was kind of hoping there was threads under here, but there weren't. I'm kind of disappointed by that. Rail. The bottom it says, let's see, on the bottom of the rail has this little plate that says PX1. I think it's a serial number, but airsoft guns generally don't have serial. Well, I guess some, I don't know. It says PX4 custom on the slide along with a logo. It says warning, retract slide to see if loaded, fires without magazine, and it does. If you don't load it back and you shoot it anyways, it will still shoot. Since there's no BB in the chamber, the first shot won't do anything because there's no BB. Second shot will fire. And there's two like little notches, I guess you can say. Push those down, and your slide kind of slides up and comes apart. Add some light to here. Bottom piece. The bottom piece is $50 on elike.com, and it comes with everything. Top piece is $50, and it comes with everything as well. There's not really much to this gun. It is very easy to disassemble. I liked how easy it was to disassemble. Once you know how to do it, you can get it to like completely apart and back together in like less than a minute. Just this little thing sticking out here. Push this forward and up, kind of, and it comes out along with the spring that it had in it. And inside is your barrel and stuff, which you can kind of just pull out. Ow. There's a sharp edge somewhere in here on the back. Or pop up, inner barrel, outer barrel. Nothing special. And then, you know, just kind of put the spring back in this little thing. And just kind of, make sure the front or the barrel doesn't start sliding out, because that's what just happened. And then you just kind of push it back in. And you just like kind of you put it on, you pull it back, and kind of push it forward after it's in. Make sure it's in pretty sturdy. Then you just slide it right back onto the gun, and it's working perfectly again. There's not much to this gun. I do like this gun a lot. I was playing, it's a pretty good gun. pop up, like most pistols, is kind of hard. You have to like take the sight off to adjust. At least I did. And you might want to adjust the hop up when you first get this gun, because I had to adjust it when I got mine. Put the gun back in the box. After these back straps, there's a button right here. Just like push that down, and the back strap, they call it, will just kind of come right off. And then here's a big one. Here's a smaller one. Just hook it up to the grooves. And then your grip is just slightly smaller. It won't make a difference. I find it kind of retarded that they did that. I mean, I guess it's a good idea. And then, yeah. Oh, one more thing is, actually, I'll show it. I will go shoot this gun and kind of report to you about it. Alright, this is the shooting accuracy test of my PX4 Custom. Can you like hold the camera? The targets are there. Go back to my spot. All the shots were aimed for the center about here. The only ones who have actually hit the target are like 2 or 3, and none of them were like really close. I shot basically the whole magazine except for 4 when the gun finally ran out of gas. So like as you can see, like a lot of these shots like hit the door or something. So this gun isn't necessarily too accurate, but it's close enough if you want to use a CQB type environment. Alright, we measured about 50 feet. I'm actually wearing my mask now because I'm scared to get shot. She has a really bad aim. Using the same target, you know, 3 shots. So 50 feet. I think what might be 0.5 gram BBs, because I use the same ones for my rifle. Either way, I'm scared. What happened? You didn't even hit the... Alright. A couple more hit the target this time. Make sure she doesn't see that.
Let me see. Oh yeah!
Whatever. Whoa! Oh, that was just a branch. I thought that was a spider on my head. Either way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 hit the target. 1 was like straight in the middle. Actually, yeah, out of minus the 3 that I shot. The first couple weren't even like close though. Alright, so that's the accuracy. Thanks for watching.